Embarking on a Salesforce Odyssey, the genesis of an expert team. Our life journey began on January 4, 2022, a significant date that marked the inception of a shared professional endeavor. In the winter's chill, four friends, Raj, Youssef, Nawaz, and Selva, embarked on a shared journey. Together, they traversed through various projects, encountering gaps in quality, design, and delivery. Witnessing the heavy financial toll on clients, a spark of innovation was kindled within them. Dedicated to delivering top-notch solutions across all Salesforce products, they envisaged a realm where Salesforce solutions were not just effective but also economically viable. Thus was born Array Minds, a team united in their commitment to excellence across the Salesforce spectrum. Their journey evolved as they expanded their reach, registering their presence in India, specifically in Coimbatore and Hyderabad, and in the UK. Along the way, we honed our technical capabilities, with each member contributing unique strengths and experiences. Today, we stand united, showcasing our profiles and accomplishments. Join the Array Minds. Together, let's unlock the full potential of your business with Salesforce, guided by expertise and driven by results.